Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi you guys! Happy Easter!
Happy spring!
Happy spring!
Spring is in the air.
Flowers. Oh, bunny.
Love.
I'm such a dork because I love the seasonal aisle at Target.
She does.
I can't why I had to have it.
It's just about where to store the things when they're not in season.
I know. We're running out of storage space.
We have a shed full of seasonal items.
So, in light of it being spring and Easter, what are we making?
We are going to be making gluten-free carrot cake cookies.
Yes, because some of you have written in and said, hey, Josh, do you ever bake anything gluten-free?
And I say, no, not really.
But now
I do.
So obviously we bake a lot of decadent desserts, but we also want to bake really good, healthy desserts, right?
Right. I mean, because some people have dietary restrictions that don't allow them to eat certain things, like gluten, or, Rain was vegan.
Oh yeah, the vegan brownies with Rain.
This is really good.
That was actually really good, right?
You would never know it's vegan.
So these gluten-free carrot cake cookies are not only yummy, but they're healthy.
Let's do this.
All right, let's get to work. The first thing we're going to go through are the ingredients for the carrot cake cookies. 1 cup of instant oats, 3/4 cup of gluten-free flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And for your wet ingredients, you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 large egg, make sure it's room temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup pure maple syrup, and 3/4 cup grated carrots. Okay, so we're gonna mix things up here on Baking with Josh and Ange, literally. Ange is gonna do some of the mixing while I do some of the mixing. We're gonna do it at the same time to get these carrot cake cookies done quicker.
Also, our kids get out of school early today, so
we gotta
So Josh was like, you gotta mix too. I was like, okay.
The first thing we're gonna do is add all the dry ingredients together. While I'm mixing this together, Angela's going to add the coconut oil, the egg, and the vanilla. And she's gonna mix this together while I mix this.
Okay.
All right.
Mixy. All right, mine's mixed.
Yep, that looks pretty good.
Now what?
Okay, so now Angela, you're going to add the maple syrup.
Okay.
And then really make sure that's well incorporated, okay?
Well incorporated. It's a baking term.
It is.
It's a baking term.
I use it a lot.
Well incorporated.
All right.
Is that good? Is that incorporated enough?
That looks pretty good. Maybe just give it like some stronger whisks.
Here, step in.
And just a little bit. So now we're just gonna add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now, I like to add just a little bit of the dry ingredients at a time and then mix it up just to make sure it's all getting incorporated.
Okay, babe, do it.
Okay, so I'll add probably about a half of the mixture and then you can go ahead and stir that up. These carrot cake cookies come together quick.
You're so proud.
I know,
You're
it's like the alliteration that's happening here today at Baking with Josh and Ange. All right, so now I'm gonna add the rest and you can stir it up. Here, I'll stir because you're gonna do an important job.
Ooh, an important job.
You're going to add the carrots.
Yay!
All right, so go ahead and add the carrots.
Okay.
Now we're just gonna fold in the carrots to this mix. So these carrots will make the cookies really soft and moist. I know it's a gross word, but it's good for your cookie.
It's good for baking. Like moist gets a bad rap.
It does, it does.
It's good for baking.
We need another word for moist. So now the dough is done. Transfer this to another bowl, cover it, and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes.
Okie dokie. All right. So do you guys have any like Easter traditions growing up?
Yeah, of course. We did egg hunts and the Easter bunny came in the morning and we got big baskets of things and Easter was great. It was fun.
I love Easter. I love Easter. My mom would get us all new Easter outfits for church on Sunday morning. For years, she made our outfits, which is amazing.
Seriously?
I know. She's so talented.
That's amazing.
She's amazing. And then after church, we would all go over to my grandmother's, or everyone go back to my mom's. We do a big Easter egg hunt. But yeah, just really good family time. And now I always do a big Easter egg hunt. We do one in our front yard. We invite our neighborhood kids over.
And then there's the golden egg that we have that has something special inside.
Oh, they all go crazy.
Kids are all going crazy.
Where's the golden egg?
It's just a great time for family.
It is. It is.
Okay, so I just got the dough out of the refrigerator. Now you can keep the dough in overnight or like for a couple hours, it doesn't matter, but at least 30 minutes because you want the oats to suck in all the moisture. You just want to drop little teaspoon-sized balls onto your baking sheet.
All right, you want to make sure and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And you're gonna bake these for about 15 minutes?
About 15 minutes. This dough is super sticky too because we used, you know, maple syrup and everything. So if you want to get your hands messy, you're more than welcome to.
I'm getting in here. It smells so good. It's the maple syrup, right?
Maple syrup and the cinnamon, I think.
My ball's too small.
Oh, yeah. Your balls are too small.
You know what's happening in my brain. I don't even need to say it. I don't even need to say it.
No. All right, so while the cookies are in the oven cooking, we are going to make the glaze that you can put on top. Now, you do not have to put this on at all. I think it just adds a little bit of sweetness to the cookie.
Yeah, it's like really healthy. Here's a little bit of sugar.
Still gluten-free though.
Still gluten-free.
Boom. So to make this icing is super easy. All you need is 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of clear vanilla.
Let's do it.
We're just gonna pour the milk in. A little bit first. You wanna save some just in case you need some more. And put the vanilla in. And then we'll just mix it up.
Mix it up.
Yeah. You want the icing to be a little thick so it won't just like run off the cookies when you put it on.
I want to try some. Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, it's very sweet.
Oh my God.
Yeah, this is about the consistency you want though. Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my little icing bottle so it's easier to put the glaze on.
If you don't have an icing bottle, you guys, I just take a spoon and I scoop it out and I drizzle it with the spoon. All right? You don't have to be Mr. Fancy Pants.
It's more fun. It's more fun with
more
tools.
fun. He just likes gear, you guys.
I do.
This is like, you know, his tool shed. It's all baking stuff.
It's true.
I just do it with a spoon.
What?
You know why I drizzle it with a spoon? Because I would never get it in this icing bottle.
All right, so we're gonna put this aside to when the cookies are done. The cookies are done.
Yay!
All right, so we took them out of the oven. Now you wanna let these cool for about 15 minutes before adding the glaze. So with the glaze, you can be as liberal as you want. You know, if you wanna make a really sweet cookie, just put a lot on, or you can put a little bit or none at all.
Let's do one.
There we go. It's kind of fun.
Glaze it up. And it also makes it look pretty.
Exactly, yep.
It makes it look a little fancier.
It does. There you go.
Why you gotta be so fancy, carrot cake cookie? Okay, I do see where this is a lot neater than when I did it with the spoon the other day.
So the glaze will take about 10 minutes to harden, and then you can store them in an airtight container. You can put them in the fridge if you want them to last a little longer, but they should stay good for about a week.
Yummy. All right, can I try one?
Definitely, let's try one.
That is really good. That is really good. Let me tell you, I like them warm, but then the icing. So I would probably like to even heat this up. Like once you've stored them for a while and they get cold, heat it up for a few seconds in the microwave.
That's a good idea.
Have it with a cup of tea.
Yeah.
This is just as healthy as a muffin, people.
Oh, healthier. Like,
yes!
like way healthier than a muffin.
I would totally have this for breakfast.
And gluten-free. Healthy.
Gluten-free.
Can you believe it? All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy spring. We hope you have a really great one, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye. For Easter and spring.
That's right. Little
see what we did there? See what we did there?
Is that a bunny?
I don't know what that is. It was like a crazy ferret thing.
Mixing with my baby.
Sounds like a 90s song. Yes, and carrot cake, spring, Easter.
Bunny.
See? Bunny. Oh my gosh.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter! Okay. You can get the thingy off.
Okay, here we go.
Don't come off.
Okay.
Wait, I want to try to get it.